Glam Rocks Future.
Dark Purple, where are you? Help!
What is the mysterious entity which captured Lavender? Will Dark Purple meet her again? And where even is Dark Purple?
Lavender. Where are you? I must find Lavender. Looks like I am in space. I must go back to the destroyed Colorland.
A mysterious voice guides Dark Purple.